Gabriella, and I'm going to be the voice.
I am Kamari, and I'm going to be the voice.
I'm Nala, and I'm going to be the voice.
I'm Keith, and I'm going to be the voice.
I'm Kennedy, and I'm going to be the voice.
We have a little over 100 schools, about 90,000 kids, and so we have a lot of students and a lot of challenges. But the data I'm going to share with you right now very quickly is very powerful. I will provide a caveat that no single data point can be attributed to one program, but Be the Voice is a very powerful, impactful program. It's a cadre of programs and supports that we provide our students in the Fulton County school systems, and we've seen extraordinary results. Elementary schools bullying, over the last couple of years, we've seen a reduction in 95% in bullying in our elementary schools. In our middle schools, a reduction of about 77%. And that is significant because how many of you all have middle schoolers or know middle schoolers? Toughest bunch in the mix, right? I'm a former middle school principal, so I can tell you that is extraordinary when you talk about middle schoolers, right? And then our high schoolers, a reduction of 91%. Again, the proof is in the pudding, and what Debbie said could not be more true. Adults, and you know this if you're parents, if you're educators, teachers, or your mentors to students, they're going to listen to each other long before they listen to adults. So the power in this program is the student-led piece. This is led by students, owned by students, implemented by students, which is why it works. They develop advocacy, they develop empowerment, and they develop their voice.
It's helped our schools become a place where everyone feels like they belong.
This program teaches you that one kind word can change someone's whole day.
That even the smallest acts of kindness can create a ripple effect that inspires others to do the same.
Be the Voice taught me standing up for someone can make a world of difference, not just for them, but for me too.
I know that being brave enough to include everyone isn't just kind, it's powerful.
Be the Voice is something that we need in every single school in this district, every single school in Georgia, because here's the deal. Kids respond to things that are on their level, things that they can understand. The old school bully program just didn't get it because it was focused on the person who was being bullied. This is the voice outside of that. It allows kids to have that internal spirit to stand up for somebody else.
Be the voice. Go dog.